In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region in Brave browser. This quick setting helps tailor your search results to a specific country or show you more globally balanced results, all without changing your device settings or using a VPN. It's simple, fast, and completely reversible. Start by opening Brave browser. Any window or new tab is fine. We're going to adjust the region from Brave search itself because that's where the option lives. In the address bar at the top, type search brave.com and press enter. This takes you directly to Brave's private search engine, which is separate from your system or browser language settings. Once the Brave search page loads, look to the upper right corner of the page for a small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Search Preferences panel. If your window is very narrow, consider maximizing it so the icon is easier to spot. The Settings panel will slide in, giving you quick access to options that influence how results appear. Inside this panel, find the option labeled Region. Click on it to open the list of available regions. You'll see choices for many countries along with a global option. Select the region that best matches where you want your results to be centered. As soon as you choose one, the preference is saved. There's no need to restart the browser or reload anything. From now on, Brave Search will prioritize results based on that region, which can help with things like local news, nearby services, and country-specific websites. A few helpful notes as you make your choice. The region setting affects search relevance. It does not change your IP address or your physical location, and it is not a VPN. It also doesn't alter your device language or system region. If you prefer a broader, less localized perspective, choosing the global option can reduce country-specific bias in your results. You can return to the same settings panel at any time to adjust the region again, so feel free to experiment and see what feels most useful for your searches. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, go to search.brave.com, click the gear icon, and choose your region. With just those few clicks, you can fine-tune how Brave Search serves results, making them more relevant to where you are or where you want to focus. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get more out of Brave.